welcome to my lesson. So in this video, let's talk about how to ask the future things. Let's see. In English, we always have to say will and then da 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 da. However, in Chinese, you don't need to do that. So you can just say you go to school and then we give them a question mark. So that one means will you go to school? Okay, and another thing that can indicate it is a future tense, it is about the time term that we put in the sentence. For example, tomorrow, which is 明天, 明天. So, 你明天去学校吗? 你明天去学校吗? Okay, so this is will you go to school tomorrow? So, 你明天 subject time term, go to school, 去学校 verb and then the noun, so go to school. And then our grammar word for the question mark, 吗 so 你明天去学校吗? Okay, so let's see next one. Will you eat Chinese food tomorrow? So 你明天吃中国菜吗? Okay, 你明天吃中国菜吗? So this is you tomorrow eat Chinese food question mark, and then that will be will you eat Chinese food tomorrow? Good. So let's try another one. Let's say tomorrow I will not do something. Then that would be 明天我不去游泳. So 游泳 is to swim. 我明天不去游泳. That means tomorrow I will not go to swim. Okay, so how to turn into negative? We just need to add a 不 in front of the verb. So 我不去游泳. I will not go to swimming. Okay, so let's say tomorrow I will not go to office. So let's try 明天我不去公司. So 公司 you can say it's company or it's office, both work. So 明天我不去公司. Okay, so that's it for today. We talked about I will do something, and then will you do something, or I will not do something in the future. I hope you understand all these three, and if you have some further questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Okay, so that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.